So before we get into the video, I'd just like to point out, I don't want to waste anybody's time. This update is quite specific to the UK. So if you are watching outside the UK, of course, please do stick along for the video. But of course, this is more relevant for those inside the UK. However, if you are in the UK, it has to be said that DJI have just quietly released an update for the DJI Mini 5 Pro that has absolutely changed the way you potentially use this drone. What am I talking about? Well, as of the 1st of January 2026, our regulatory body, the CAA, determined that if you want to fly a drone such as this at night, it has to have a green flashing light displayed. Now, for those of you that know this model, know that this drone does actually have flashing green lights already built into it. They're located just on the back right here. However, there is a bit of a problem because it's all well and good flying around, the green lights flashing, taking photos, etc. But the moment you wanted to actually record any footage, those lights turned off. And unlike drones such as the DJI Air 3S, there was no way to actually turn them on. But now there is, because DJI have quietly launched this update right here with absolutely completely nondescript for something so large, which basically means if you go ahead and update this firmware, you're going to go from this situation right here, where of course if you want to record, those green lights are going to turn off. Now, after this firmware update, what's going to happen is we're going to have a new menu in the DJI Fly app, just basically the same as the DJI Air 3S. So essentially, you've got the option for them to automatically turn off if you are recording. However, what we can actually do is pop into the DJI Fly app, and instead of having them on auto, you can turn them on. But now, if we press that record button, as you can see, those green lights remain flashing. Now, the reason why this is such a big deal is because at the time when the CAA launched this rule or regulation, if you wish, it caused so much kerfuffle because everybody was arguing, but it does have a green light, it's not my fault if it turns off. Then it was talked about strobes, and I did a video on strobe lights on the DJI Mini 5 Pro as to get around that. But then it was clarified the fact that adding a strobe to this would render it not being able to use it in a built-up area, which of course is the whole point of a mini-sized drone. So it caused quite an issue. And from basically the 1st of January 2026 to as of today, technically, if you wanted to fly this drone in a built-up area at night, technically, if you wanted to record, it wasn't legal. Whereas now with this update from DJI, that has rectified this situation. And of course, it doesn't matter which controller you're using, you're going to see this menu in the DJI Fly app. Now, it is worth noting, of course, there are many of you out there that are going to say, well, what about my drone if you fly the DJI Mini 4, for example? As of me recording this video right now, that update is not applicable to the DJI Mini 4. It's just this DJI Mini 5. So I think we can agree that's an absolutely fantastic update, and all it would be nice for DJI to do now is just reverse that decision to lock these drones to 120 meters. I'm not saying we should fly above 120 meters, but that C0 label, for example, is something that's more relevant to European countries. Here in the UK, that 120 meter limit that we are bound to is actually above ground level. So of course, if the terrain rises, you can rise with it. Whereas of course, with this locked altitude of 120 meters, it's always from the takeoff point, okay? Meaning you cannot literally do that. But ultimately, you know, it might not have affected you, but something that it would be nice for DJI to reverse that as well. So if you found this short video useful, please do give it a big thumbs up. It tells the YouTube algorithm more people just like you might want to watch my content. Subscribe if you're awesome. And until next time, thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.